What's up everyone, Chance here with Missouri Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing a little crappie and bass fishing at my parents' pond again. We're going to try to get a few bass or crappie caught, and we may do a little bit of pond stocking. I got a couple ponds at my grandparents' farm that need to be restocked, so if we happen to catch a few, that's what we might end up doing. But stay tuned, guys. I'll make sure to show all the catches I get. Hopefully we have a little bit of decent luck here. But alright, we're gonna get started. It did rain a lot this morning. Oop. Oh. Well, we almost had one. I was gonna say the fish may not bite this good since we had all that rain, but then again they may bite better. We're using a 2-inch power grub made by the Berkeley Power Bait Company. This is their Christmas color. I tried it yesterday at the lake in Hartville, Missouri, and it did really well actually. It was kind of a tough day of fishing, but me and a buddy managed to catch 10 bluegill total that were all fairly good sized. But yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of fishing here for a while, and hopefully we can catch enough that we can take them and stock a pond or two. We don't have much luck on this side. We'll go to the other side here in a minute and we'll try it out. I think I had a little bite there, but just barely. Alright, well, I think we're going to move to the other side and try that out for a minute. We'll see what we can do over there. Alright guys, we're set up on the other side. We'll try to do a little bit over here and see what we can't get caught. Well, while we're at it and trying to catch something, I figured I'd go ahead and talk to you about the new thing on the channel I've got going on. I bought a couple pay dirts recently, gold pay dirts, and I'm going to be redoing my Patreon tiers. There was a bite. But I'm going to basically be giving away all the gold I pan out in these two pay dirts to either one or possibly two lucky Patreons. There we go, we got us a crappie. If we can get it to us. Yeah. There we go. Not a bad little fish. But yep. I'll get this one put in the bucket and I'll be back in just a second and I'll continue the conversation about the Patreon and the new rewards we got going on, basically. Alright, I'm back at it. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm going to be giving out the gold I pull out of the pay dirts to my Patreons. I'm thinking about starting out at the $5 level. Anyone $5 or above has the possibility to win it. And I'll probably wait till we have, probably 10 Patreons, and then I'll do a drawing of those names. There we go, we got another one. Looks like a little bass. Yeah, perfect to put in a pond. Try to get not a bad little fish. Put him in the bucket. But yeah, once we get to 10 Patreons, I'll do the drawing of anybody in the $5 tier or above, and whoever gets drawn gets to win all the gold. I figured I'd try to give you guys a little bit of an incentive. But we seem to be doing a lot better on the fishing since we switched to this side. We've done like what, 2, maybe 3 casts. This will be the 4th or so, and we've already caught 2 fish. Not bad. I'll probably only take fish to stock that pond if we catch at least more than 5 or 6. It is a decent little drive from where I am to where I gotta stock the pond, so it's not really worth it unless we catch a decent amount. But I figured we could try to get it accomplished. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to go like and follow me over on the Facebook page. That way you can see behind the scenes footage and extra stuff that you just can't see on YouTube. I'm also going to start, once a lot of my YouTube fan base goes over to Facebook, I'm going to start doing polls over there. That way we can kind of get an idea of what you guys want to see. That way I can start making videos that is going to attract, well, you guys. Alright, I had to go get it unhung for a minute. But now we're back to fishing. I'm going to try to get us a couple more spots to video and fish at. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing the same old spot. So hopefully we can get another couple places lined out. I was going to go film at the lake this morning, but the water was so high we couldn't put the boat in. Well, we don't seem to be having very much luck, but at least we didn't get totally skunked. We caught 2 so far. A nice crappie and a little bass. Nothing too extra special, but I've definitely caught smaller. But we'll try for a little bit longer and see what we can't get accomplished. we don't catch anything here in the next few minutes, we'll move over toward that dead tree and try to fish that fence line out that's in the pond. Oh, well, there wasn't much to that one. She hit it right at the bank, but there's fish number 3. Another nice little bass. All right. Well, we're gonna walk to the other side real quick and set back up and see what we can't catch there. Alright guys, we're set up on the other side now, over here by the dead tree. We're going to try to fish up this fence line a little bit and see if we can't catch a few off these trees we got submerged. With any luck, we can put a few more fish in the bucket. There we go. Another little bass. Yeah, there we go. Now we're getting there. But alright. I didn't bring the bucket with me, so I'm gonna have to run over there and grab it real quick, but I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, we're gonna make a few more casts and then we're probably calling it quits. The fish have seemed to stop biting, which tends to happen. This is a fairly small pond and it seems like you catch a few and they just shut down. But we'll make 2 or 3 more casts and see if we can't pull one out. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to go check out the Facebook page, like and follow over there, and make sure to go check out the Patreon. And if you want to support the channel, you can do so there. There'll be 4 or 5 different levels you can join from after I get done editing it tonight. Each will have its own various rewards. Make sure to leave a like, and if you would, share this video out. It helps tremendously. I want to give a personal shout out to each one of my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And I just want to thank you guys for all your support. We're probably going to call it quits after I get this reeled in. We don't seem to be having many more bites or any catches. And sadly, I don't think I caught enough to really make it worth driving all the way up there just to throw 4 fish or 5 fish in the pond. But hopefully here in the next few days we can get in a better spot and get some we can actually get transplanted to the ponds I want to be fishing in. But alright guys, thanks for watching, and remember to give this video a big like. Have a good one, you guys.